The last time I was sick was about 2 months ago. I got the flu after getting wet in the rain on my way home from school. Initially, I had a sore throat and a runny nose. The next day, I had a high fever, body aches, and feet extremely tired. I went to see a doctor and he asked me to rest and drink plenty of fluid. It took about a week for me to fully recover. Since then, I have tried to prevent it by wearing a raincoat when it rains, eating lots of fruit and vegetables, and getting enough sleep to boost my immune system.